Good evening, mga loves. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening, mga loves. Good evening, everyone. Sana naman maka-join kayo kay Tita Inday. Mga palangga ko. Super init sa gabi ba? Ayan, 36 hanggang 31. Wala pang tao dito sa kay Tita Inday. Sana naman makapasyal kayo. Ayan, may isang tao, may isa na nagatambay or nawala na naman. Sana naman makatambay kayo sa akin. Tambay-tambay lang kayo kay Tita Inday. Free kayo magtambay-tambay dito sa kubo ko, mga palangga. Salamat ng marami mga bes sa mga lalabs ko dyan. Mega shoutout sa lahat ng mga palangga ko dyan. Good evening everyone. Mega shoutout. Sana andyan kayo. Mega shoutout Lola Giselle. Ayan, I have 2 million people in my house. 2121. Good evening, Tata Marie. Good evening to you, dear. Hi, Joseph Kalaw. Good evening, Palangga. Kumusta ka na, Dudong? Wala kang pasok ngayon? Kumusta, Palangga? Joseph Kalaw. Yes, thank you so much sa 3 million people in my house. Wala ka pa ring pasok. Kumain ka na ba ng hapunan? Isang buwan na? Medyo matagal na rin pala, no? Kumain ka na ba, Palangga? Joseph Kalaw. Yes, I got 4 million people in my house. Ba't hindi ka pa kumain? Joseph Kalaw, patamsak naman dyan. Tamsak. Ba't hindi ka pa kumain? Ano na, gabi na ngayon? 7:17. Thank you so much sa 3 million people in my house. Mamaya na walang gana. Aba, kailangan talaga may gana. Mamaya walang gana. Ba't walang gana? Thank you so much. Ayan, si Mimi Vios. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko. Mamaya na kita i-message. Then na host thumbs na. Ba't walang nag-thumbs up? Hi, dito in our dear. How are you? Thank you so much sa 4 million people in my house. Thank you so much mga palangga ko. Tita Inday, love you guys. Anong planong uulamin mo? Palangga, Joseph Calao. How are you dito in? Thank you so much for joining my LS. Mega shout out to you dito in. At saka to you, Joseph Calao. Mega shout out to Mimi Vios. Hi, Bes. Asan ka na, palangga? Busy ka pa ba dyan? Ako lang nag-thumbs up host. Isda lang kita. Same tayo. Ulam ko din isda. At saka gulay na alagbate na. Alam mo ba yung alagbate? Alam mo alagbate, di ba? Alagbate. Alagbate. Pagkain ng mahirap. Hi, Serge E, dear. Nakita mo did you see? She away my party girl. How are you, dear Serge E? Thank you so much, dear Serge A, for joining my LS. Thank you so much. Good morning to you, dear. Oo, alam ko yan. Sarap yan. Oo, masarap yung alagbate. Serge A say, hi dito in and Joseph Palangga, si Serge A, ayan. Yes, hi Tata M. Serge A, dear. Tata M is my, how to say, is my lalabs. How are you, dear Serge A? Long time no hear from you. Ayan, isa na lang ang nagtambay, nawala na tuloy. Mega shout out everyone. Have a good day to you, Serge A, dear. How are you? Now is morning, right? In France. Mega shout out everyone. I'm fine. Hope you too. Yes, I am doing fine, dear Serge A. Thank you so much. Tita Inday, party girl, is doing fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. Salamat ng marami. Ayan, I got 2 million people in my house. Thank you so much everyone. Yes, I got 3 million people. Thank you so much. Pero ba't walang nagtamsa? Walang nagtamsa kay Tita Inday. Good evening, everyone. Yes, I got one already. Just arrived, will not work today. Okay. Today is your off day, is it? Surge A. Mega shout out kay Giselle Gula-Gula. Kuya Art. Hi, how are you? But not tired. No, but tired. Why? You're not working, but how come you're tired? Where did you go just now? You do a housework? Or you go somewhere just now? Why you feel tired, dear? Thank you so much for thumbs up of Tita Inday. Mega shout out at sa 3 million people in my house. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, dear ones. Just wait too long for... okay. So now everything okay already, dear? Surge A. I can feel you, I really feel you that you are very tired. Never mind, you go and take a cup of coffee, then you drink some while you're watching of Tita Inday. So you will not be tired anymore. Thank you so much for the 2 thumbs up of Tita Inday and the 4 million people in my house. Thank you so much, everyone. Good evening, good evening. Andito na ako, host. Salamat ang marami, Meme Vios, for joining. May LS. Kumain ka na ba, Meme Vios? Mega shoutout kay Meme Vios. Thank you so much for joining my LS. Ayan, si Tita Inday. Medyo din. Not okay. Pero, I just want to be okay. Meme VO, sabi ni Serge A, hi to you. Meme VO, Serge A is watching from France. He is my best friend ever. When the time I start my YouTube channel, Serge A is always supporting me. Serge A, dear, Meme VO is one of my cousin. Sabi, Meme VO say, tambay lang ako ha kasi andito kusina mga dolyar. Di rin ako makita nila basta tambay lang ako. Salamat ulit, Meme VOs. Pasensya ka na kanina. Meme VOs, Serge is say, hi cousin. Thank you so much for the 5 million people in my house at sa 2 thumbs up for Tita Inday. Mega shout out everyone. Welcome, host. Mega shout out kay Jande Bacos, kay Lulu. Who is Lulu? Kay Lola B, Giselle Gula-Gula. Alam ko, Giselle Gula-Gula, ayan, may ano pa siya ngayon. May online class, kaya wala pa siya dito. Kay Kuya Art Loves, mega shout out sa mga taga-Pikit Cotabato dyan. Kumusta kayong lahat? Mga dear. Mega shout out. Good evening, maing gabi sa tanang mga Bisaya dyan, sa mga palangga ko dyan, sa taga Sikihor. Maing gabi kaninyong tanan. Thank you so much for watching of Tita Inday. Good evening, magandang gabi. Tatcha Wan-an, Tatcha, Ni Hao, to all my friend watching here in Taiwan. Good evening everyone. Kumusta kayong lahat? Sana may madagdag pa kay Tita Inday. Thank you so much for the 5 million people na nandito sa bahay ni Tita Inday ngayon. At sa tutang sa kay Tita Inday. Thank you so much everyone. Sana andyan kayo kay Tita Inday at hindi niyo ako iiwan. Thank you so much mga lalabs. Oh, the other one is left for Tita Inday. Still got 4. Ayan. 4 na lang ang nandito sa bahay ni Tita Inday na nakatambay. Huwag niyo munang iwanan si Tita Inday para hindi ako gaano maano dito. Kasi ako lang, para may kasama naman si Tita Inday magdakdak. Thank you. Good evening. Are you playing basketball? No, I'm playing badminton and softball before. Then that time I do softball in my hand. This one is very pink. Down here, dear, search A. Then I really like so much to play the, how to say, badminton. I just want to play like basketball if I just, shoot the ball. Because I am very scared later there's a person want to knock on me. Then my risk is very small, you see. So that's why Tita Inday is very scared about. Thank you so much for the 5 million people in my house. How about you, Serge A? Are you playing a basketball too? Thank you so much everyone for joining the LS of Tita Inday. Thank you, dear. I'm too old to play any. No, you can play like badminton or like bowling, right? I love bowling too. That time when I work in Philippines, part of Mindanao, every Sunday we go bowling together with my friend. But the ball is very heavy. Anyway, how old are you, dear Serge A? If you don't mind. I don't think so that you're old much. I guess that you're like 50. Sorry if I'm wrong. Sorry, what is the question? No, I said how old are you now? I think now you're 50 years old. I am right? Are you 50 years of age? Tita Inday is 46. I saw your picture. You're not. Don't say that you're old. You're not too old. 54 years old according to my ID. Vivi, how come? Not. How come only in your ID? Of your ID? Why? How come only of your ID that you're 54? Then how about how about the real? The real one in personal. So how old are you now? Don't be shy, baby. Tita Inday is 46 already. I was born in June, how to say? I'm 74. I'm in 74, year of 74. So Tita Inday is old already. I've just checked now, don't always remember. No, I just checked. I just checked now, don't always remember. Yeah, 54-year-old according to my ID. But you're not looks like 54. You looks like 50 only. You see? Your face like not 54. Looks like 50, 49, like that. Because your skin is white, not same as me. I'm brown complexion. 46 year, that's great. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much for the 3 million people in my house and the 3 thumbs up of Tita Inday. Thank you so much, everyone. Good evening, good evening. White hair, are you sure? Look again. Yes, I got so much of white hair. But can you please don't, never mind, don't care about my white hair. Vivi, Surge A, don't care about my white hair. You mentioned again my white hair. Where are you? White hair, are you sure? Really, what? You can see? Even I focus my face. See? I got so much of white hair. But never mind. I got so much of white hair, but I don't have much wrinkle. But if I do like that, I know that if I do like this, I don't think so if you support me as one of your friend. I am right, dear Sergey. Thank you so much, dear Sergey, for standby, standby, standby in front of Tita Inday. Now you feel still tired? Thank you so much, dear Sergey, that you never left me, or else I'm alone. That's not a big deal. Keep it. No, really, what? Right. It's never mind about this white hair. I don't care about this white hair. Right? Never mind. It's okay. It's okay, this white hair. I don't care. Right? I don't care about my white hair. You know, white hair is just like, how to say, hair color. Who going to complain? Some got so much. Got so much friend that say, you're old. Or sometimes got so much people straight away want to look at my face, my, like, from head to toe. Then asking, how old are you? Then I say, I'm 46. What? 46? Yeah, I'm 46. So how come you got so much of white hair? I just want to bend down and just speechless. Speechless, because if I keep talking like, but so much people say also that if you got stress so much, then you got so much of white hair. Do you believe that, dear Serge A? If you stress too much, then you got so much of white hair? I don't think so. For me, I never agree about that, because I got so much friend also in Philippines, younger than me, but the hair is so much of white hair. So maybe not. Hi, hindi siya gamit to you, dear. Nagloading ikaw. Ha? Naglo-loading ako? Hello, gwapang host. Daghang salamat, Inday. Ha, nagaloading ko? Okay man ang ako ang signal, Inday, oy. Inday Cheryl, Sabi ni Serge A, hi Inday Cheryl. Hi to you dear. Salamat na marami sa thumbs up. Ay, wait lang, baby, Inday Cheryl. Ayan. Bigyan kita ng bagong plancha na damit. Ayan. Sorry, dear. I forgot. Kumusta man ka diha, Inday Cheryl? Nagloading ko. Stress surge is say, stress, pain, or anything else, good or bad. Yeah. But do you believe that white hair it's because of the stress or what? I don't think so. Inday Cheryl, ang mga puti-puti ba sa buhok, mutuo ba ka nga kuan na siya tungod sa mga problema. Pero di ba sa ato sa Pilipinas palangga, Inday Cheryl, di ba? Naidaghang mga batanon. Sorry because we just wala na ka mag-loading host. Salamat ng marami palangga. Inday Cheryl, si Serge A, he is watching from France. Ayan. It could be, but not always. Yeah. Inday Cheryl, we just want to talk about English language because Serge A is, he cannot understand how to speak our language. So we need to be fair for him. No. I saw all your photos, dear Inday Cheryl. You don't have any white hair. But for me, I got so much. But for me, I don't care about. Gray hair is life. Yes. Never mind. Even I got so much of gray hair, but I'm still beautiful anyway. I love my own. Diba, Inday? Inday Cheryl, diba? We love our own. No, I don't believe gray hair is because of problem. Some maudyo na siya, tinuudyo na Inday. Because I saw also in Philippines got so much people younger than me, but the hair is almost gray hair already. Host, I color my hair. Me too, Inday. But just only 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Oh, you see? Then my hair also kept falling down. That's why I don't want to always keep coloring my hair because ayo. Later, if the time I go home in Philippines, oh my God, gray hair does highlight. Yeah. Inday Cheryl, can you remember the hair of the uging? How to say uging, baby? Inday Cheryl. Ano yung uging? Unsa nang uging, baby? Inday Cheryl sa kuan? Sa English. Sorry, Tita Inday is really very poor in English. Serge is say no color for me. You like it or leave it. Why? Serge A, why? So, okay. You give me a request. What color do you want of my hair? But how later if I put a coloring, I dye my hair like, how to say? Hair dyeing. I want to color it with a... Oo, ano na uging? Unsa na siya uging? O di ba? The uging is white hair. The color of the hair is gray. Di ba? Puting buhok, di ba? Also uging. So I just want maybe like I don't want to color my hair, then maybe 3 days or half a year, then my hair looks like uging. Oh, you see? Your husband is allergy in hair coloring, so he never color. So that's why it's okay as it is. No, Surge A, Tita Inday want to favor, please. Maybe os andito lang ako host. Nagmuni-muni. Ba't ka nagmuni-muni? Pinapagalitan ka pa ba, maybe os? Wag naman. Inday Cheryl, kumusta naman ka diha? Salamat kaayo palangga. Nahuman dyan ako ang imong kuan ganiya, ang imong palabas. Surge A, dear, if I don't want to color my hair, then I got so much white hair. Do you still support with me as your friend and YouTuber? Do you still? Because I think from start of February or March, we know as a friend here in social media, February, March, 6 months, half a year already. Manosblade og tangblade man taan ni host. Mauga ni oy magkalibog-libog ko Inday Palangga oy kay what is da pud in tawon nga di ko kabalo mo English. Unsaon nanguha magkukuan good ba tawag ana siya po nanguhag biyabas tangan di kita nataka host wala pa di ay ko dikit nimo. Mao gani gidi kita nakanako ha Palangga Inday Cheryl. Walay sa payan Palangga ko, no color, no support. Why? Surge A? Inday Cheryl say. Oh, you see? You laugh, right? I am right. If I don't want to color my hair, then you don't support with Tita Inday. Please don't do that to me, okay? Because we become friend and social media like half a year already, right? So I want to see how first I need to. Salamat host, sabi ni Inday Cheryl. Walay sa payan Inday. Inday, pag magapanood po ko sa imo ang palabas, ako pong gamito ng akong mga itoy para dungag-dungag sa imo ang kuan ba. What? Try blue? So, later, then, you don't call me Tita Inday anymore. Then you call me, oh, the peacock is on the stage. Oh my God. Search si dear. Inday Cheryl. Search asked me to color my hair like blue. So, maybe like following week or ito'y pod akong gamit host. Okay. Di ba Inday Cheryl? He asked me to color my hair. No, maybe os. Can you imagine? Serge A asked me to color my hair like blue color. So, later he saw me like tomorrow. Oh, we say, like tomorrow, I need to color my hair the blue color. Then, on the next day, or following days, he saw me on the social media, my YouTube channel. Then, he doesn't want to call me at, oh, Tita Inday. So, he called me already, how to say, oh, the peacock. Should be perfect with the eyeglasses. Thank you so much, dear. I know that you keep laughing now. Search it, dear. Now, are you awake? Just now, I know, I feel you that you're not. awake yet because you feel very tired, but now I can feel it that now you will be okay. You okay already? In the serial say you have to make Adele host Serge A. She will color the hair blue and you Serge color your hair pink. Okay, dear Serge A. Can you please try to read the message of Inday Chirel? I do my I need to color my hair a blue color. Then how about you? Also is you need to color your hair is pink. Can we? Okay, okay. Come on, baby. Serge A. Can we do this? Serge Serge A, dear. How? We need to do this? Yes or no? Why? Serge A say, YouTube will delete my account. No. How come? In the Chiril. He said YouTube say want to delete his account. No. Just only the color of your hair, what? Don't you worry about. Then, okay. If Whitey want to delete your account, so how about me? So, can you please don't say with Tita Inday that I need to color my hair like blue color? Or else, Whitey also want to delete my account. Can? Can or not? Inday Chiril, can you please say to him? You can say just Tita Inday, can you please try? I need to try to color my hair like blue color. Mga lalabs, wait for a while. I need to throw my garbage, okay? Wait for a minute, okay? Dear, sorry, Tita Inday is back. Inday Cheryl, so you need to favor also that I need to color my hair blue color. Not you host. Serge A, first color is her and then you host. Okay, Serge A, dear. Inday Cheryl say you need to color your hair first, pink color. Then after you do this, then I need to do with myself also. Okay? Please. Search it, dear. I know. Ano nga tawag niyan, ano? Gabie Palangga. Ano tawag niyan? Yung mag-ano tayo, yung magmanumaano na ganyan, tapos pag sino yung mag-ano, sino yung matalo, siya yung mag-ano, tawag nito, siya yung uuna. Serge Idier, are you still there? Bibi, don't leave me. Or now you're planning what color that you want to color of your hair? Serge E, dear. In the Cheryl say you need to color your hair the pink color. Because I need to color my hair blue, okay? Dark blue, light blue, it's okay for me. Bato-bato pick, okay. Serge E, come on. We need to do bato-bato pick. Search it here. In the Cheryl. Maybe he's gone. Search it here. Don't hide. We never do a hide and seek here, okay? Okay, Sergi is back. I really can't do that unless in the Chirel. Sergi Palangga dear say, I really can't do that unless I lost my brain. No. Baby, we just do. We just kidding about here, okay? Peace, dear loves. Dear Sergi. Now you happy now, right? Just now you're still sleepy and you feel very tired. Thank you so much to you, dear Sergi. And that's Cheryl. Sergi is not a YouTuber anyway. He is just one of my supporter to my dear. He is my best friend almost half a year already. He just want to support me all the time, my videos, my LS. He is watching from France. Sergi, Inday also is, where are you now, Inday? Yes, I'm tired. No, you're not tired now. You're still tired? Inday, saan ka nga ngayon, Inday? Inday Cheryl? That's why I can't find his channel. Yeah, he is not a YouTuber. Okay. Tita, kain muna ako. Okay, take your time. Joseph Kalau, Palangga, kumain ka. Kain ka muna. Serge Idier, Inday, Cheryl, she is in Norway. Ayan. Okay, promise, okay? Don't leave to Tita Inday first. I do my list maybe until 9:15. Okay, dear? Serge Id, this Inday Cheryl is watching from Norway also. Inday Cheryl, this Serge A, my lalab, he is watching from France. Inday Cheryl, anong oras ba dyan? Inday Cheryl say Serge A, yes it is. Oo nga, malinis dyan, Inday, di ba? I saw all your video. The place down there is very clean. Nice, very nice country. What time diha host? Like Pinay Philippine time. Alas 8 pa dito, Palangga. Taiwan at saka Pilipinas, same time. 2 p.m. Nag-lunch ka na ba, Palangga? Inday Cheryl? Oo, host. Linis masyado. Oo, di ba? Super malinis dyan. Para siyang Singapore. Sa Singapore din, malinis din sa Singapore. Habang pinanood ko yung palabas mo kanina, Inday Cheryl, nako, yung para ang bituka ko para ding maano siya. lalabas. Kasi ang ano ng takbo ng asawa mo sa pag-drive, ang bilis. Para din ako natatakot. Nag-diet ka ba, Palangga? Shirts is same time here. Ah, ganon. Norway and this France is this same time, is it? Serge A. Palangga. Serge A. dear. Meme VO say hi to you. Oo, Inday Cheryl, maganda din ang Singapore. Anim na taon ako doon, Inday Cheryl, sa Singapore. Kasi Inday Cheryl, yung ano, sabi ni Inday Cheryl, ha, bakit host? Kasi ang pagda-drive ng ano mo, yung asawa mo, naku, ang bilis ng pag ano ng sasakyan. Tapos, yung like, pa-crooked siya. Ay, naku. Ang tinitingnan ko na lang, yung ano na lang, like, mga stone dito sa side by side. Tapos, yung falls na, ano, hindi na ako nag-ano dun sa ano. Kasi yung para ako nahihilo tuloy na nandyan ako sa loob ng sasakyan. Sabi ni Inday Cheryl, yes, France and Norway has the same time. Ah, okay. Pareho lang pala kayong time. Dito din sa Taiwan, sa Pinas, Singapore. Pero sa Singapore, yung parang una ata ng minutes lang, 20 minutes or 15, parang ganon. Mega shout out sa 4 tamsa kay Tita Inday at sa 4 million people in my house. Sabi ni Inday Cherela, host narrow roads kaayo. Maugani Inday. Meme Vios, pag hindi ka pa nakadikit kay ano, Inday Cherel, ayan, classmate ko yan. Nasa Norway siya ngayon. Sabi ni Serge A, hi to Meme Vios. Siguro Inday Cherel, nung bago ka pa lang dyan, ganun ka rin siguro, like natatakot. Pero sanay ka na. Si Husky naman, nanggigil din ako sa Husky mo, nako. Ang aso mo naman, super kulit, sarap mo naman kurot-kurotin. Ang kulit niya, no, Inday. Tapos habang gumagawa ka din ng mga pagkain mo, nako, si Tita Inday napalunok din kasi kaninang ano, tanghalian. Hindi ako nagla-lunch kaya kasi nung morning pinanood ko yung ano mo palabas hanggang anong oras na yun natapos mula morning. Panood lang na ako ng panood doon sa palabas mo. Kaya ayon, panay lunok din ako. So nung una, yung after sa mga ano mo, yung mga tortor, ayon, tapos nagluto ka na ng pagkain, ayan, si Tita Inday, lunok-lunok na lang ng kanin, ng laway. Hindi naman host, okay lang. Oo, super kulit talaga ni Lizzie Husky, silosa din masyado. Ay, ganun ba? Basta super kulit niya. Why? Surge essay with BRB. Oo nga, Inday Cheryl, kanina yung ano, yung unang mga torture mo hanggang sa ano na napauwi na lang doon sa mga loto-loto. Tapos si Inday, driver ng wheelchair, hindi pa nakain ng lunch. habang napanood sa mga palabas mo. Lonok laway na lang si Tita Inday. Kaluoy ba nako jod? Lunok-lunok na lang sa laway. Sabi ni Mimi Vios, nakakapagod ang work host, sakit na ng binti ko. Umupo ka nga dyan, Mimi Vios. Hindi, Chirel, Mimi Vios is my, pinsan ko yan. Dito din siya sa Taiwan. Hindi, Chirel, makulit good kaayo. Lagi, oy, kulit kaayo, imo ang palangga, oy. Pag pinapalo mo siya, yung parang paluin mo siya, tinatakot, ayon. Pahiga-higa din. Like paawa-awa. Mimi Viose, host, visit ko muna bis Serge. Si Mimi Viose, si Serge hindi siya YouTuber. Ayan, hinahanap din siya ni Inday Chirel. Hindi siya YouTuber. Taga-subaybay lang talaga siya sa akin. Hindi siya nag-YouTube. Taga-subaybay lang siya. Inday Chirel si kaluoy host o pwede pa lang makakuha sa screen. O mga pagkaon host matagal na ubos. Maugani. Kay ganina, lamay jud unta mo kon ato imong tacos. O di ba? Lamay kay itong imong giluto nga tacos Inday tapos katong imong pizza nga dako kaayo. No, Mimi Vios, si Serge hindi siya YouTuber, hindi mo siya mahanap. Kasi si Serge lang siya, tawag nito, nagsuporta lang siya sa akin. Hinanap din siya ni Inday Cheryl kanina, hindi din mahanap, 'di ba Inday? Hindi mo rin mahanap si si Palangga Serge A. Saan mo siya naabot, Mimi, sa paghanap? Sa dulo ng walang hanggan? Hindi siya mahanap. Hindi ka kasi nagbasa-basa doon sa pinaka Oo, host, homemade. Masarap kaya yung luto mo, Inday. Mimi Vios, buti pa ayan si Inday Chirel, yan ang hanapin mo. Kasi classmate ko yan. Makita mo yan kaagad. Nasa Norway siya. O, diba Inday Chirel, wala siyang channel. Taga-suporta lang talaga siya sa akin. Matagal-tagal na. Like almost nung mula ako nagsimula ng YT, ayan. Andyan na siya sa akin. Taga-suporta lang. Yes, you're back, dear. Serge A, dear, can you please try to visit Mimi Vios channel? Please. For behalf of Tita Inday. And you can visit also to Inday Chirel. Ayan. Monica na host. Hindi, wala pa, dili pa Inday. Dako pa kayong utong-utong na ko Kana si Mimi, hapit-hapit na siya. Gamay na lang utong anak niya. Pero kana si Mimi Bios, humana jud unta, pero dinharay gamay nga kuan baka kulian. Nawala siya, nabalik na pud sa uno. Ikaw Inday, hapit na ka? Hapit na nimo makuha ang kuan 4 mil nga oras. Ako dugay pa kayo Inday oy. Ang ako ang kuan oras kuan pa. Mill City pa ang ako ang kuan Inday. ang ako ang oras. Dugay pa kaayo oy. Super tagal pa. Ako akay si Lolo daghan kaayo wala paghihatag akong with sa akong ngano man. Hindi chire like ingon ani karon o di ba naga-ilis man ko. Pagka man ako ilis karon kay naan naman dayon niya automatic naman ihatag. Nganon dili man naman kadayon makuha pagka man ako like after ko magdakdak dito, ayan. May makuha ako kaagad, makita ko kaagad kung magkano ang ano. Ganon. Sayang din no. Uulit naga-LS host. Nung naabot ako inday ng 1,000 sa ano ko sa saging, ayun saka ako nag-start ng LS kasi di ba hindi pwede. Inday Chirel, tapos na daw si Mimi B.O. sa'yo. Takiris back na lang, mamaya. Ambot dako kayo siya og wala gihatag. Ngano man. Oo, late na ko inday nag-LS. Basta kay nung nakuha ko na yung saging na 1,000, saka ako nag-LS. Oo, inday na ayan, no? Automatic sa after LS pero gi-check ba nimo sa monetization og ni-appear sa imong. Oo, naaman inday. Maybe say welcome best inday. Makita man dayon inday. Nga naman imo ang inday, ba't hindi mo nakita? Dugay na ka nagkuan inday? Matagal ka na ba white? Ako? Pebrero ko nagsugod. Pito na ko kabulan. Pero nakasugod ko anang like how to say magbarkada-barkada, di na lang ta magkuan kay basig si paon ta ba. Kanang barkada-barkada inday ano pa adto pa ko yung nung ano pa buwan ng August. No, sorry. April saka ako nakapag-start ng mga ganyan. Oy kinsa man nag-ingon nga di pwede mag-LS o di. No, inday Chiril, pwede man mag-LS ka na hindi pa ka nakaabot og 1K nga saging. Kaso nga magamit ka og apps, di ba? Na kay apps nga gamiton. Pero wala man ko ga-download ana inday kay maulaw man sad ko. Unya karon kaya ito ngayon nagkapal-kapal mukha na lang si Tita Inday sa iyon bunga nga. Ako kay listo ko host everyday sa akong WH pero ang time WH nga ginahatag niya ni Whitey gyud mohatag dayon. So inday kada adlaw ka like kumbaga bisan og di ka maga-LS inday sa kada adlaw pila imong makuha di ay. May si Inday Bisaya din siya. You can speak Bisaya. Pwede raman ka mag-direct sa YT host. Oo Inday pero maulaw man ko adto nga time good tapos marami din magsabi na Hindi daw pwede mag LS pag hindi ka pa nakaabot ng 1,000 na saging. Wala naman akong kaalam-alam kasi nga wala nga akong halos kaalam-alam dito sa paggamit ng tawag nito, yung cellphone. Ayan. Ako direct ko sa YT kada LS. Kaya ako din ngayon, direct naman ako. Kaya pagkatapos ko ng tawag nito, LS, ayan. Og wala mag-watch sa atong videos host, wala pod views or maugani inday maayo pa siguro, no. Sa pagkakaron pwede man ta maga lantaw-lantaw ratang dito sa ato ang kuan, gihimo nato nga plaka, tapos ato ta maglantaw-lantaw, di ba? Kay ingon nga kung kuan daw namuni na dili daw pwede. Tinuod na siya inday nga dili dito pwede. Kay si Tita Inday wala jud koy kaalam-alam anak jud, promise. Kini ako ay Inday ko anra ni ako aba kanang na ay unsay tawag ani oy, kanang kumbaga lingaw-lingaw ra god. Ba't bigla akong nawala? Nag-reconnecting ko, bebe. Hindi ko alam bakit. Wala ko kabalo. No? Wala ko kabalo, pero naaman uban gagamit og ilang mga itoy nga mutanaw. Oo. Ako di Inday, mauman po na akong gibuhat kay adtong una wala pa man ko'y kailagod kanang maglantaw-lantaw ingon ana. So kana pong like sa mga kuan pagong bag-uha rasad ko naga kuan ana nga pagdating sa mga pagong nga ang imo ang pagong palantawon din sa imo ang kuan. So wala ko ana kabalo. Oo, nagloading ka kadali host. Ang bot nga dago ito, nagloading man to. Nag-reconnecting siya. Wi-Fi man akong gamit nga nag-reconnecting man to. Nakaingon gani ko Inday nga gisipa nako adto. Nagwala og dali. Basin sa signal dagoy sa Wi-Fi. Mana bag-uhay raman po ko gagamit-gamit anang kuan Inday kanang mga itoy kay wa man ko kabaloan na. So naara po nagatug-an sa ako aparte anang mga kuan ukoy ayon. Mao gani Inday hinay ang signal, pero ako raman untay nagagamit di are. Miga shout out sa 4 tamsa kay Tita Inday at sa 4 million people in my house. Thank you so much everyone for joining my LS. Sayang kaayo kay dako na kaayo imong balay. Mao gani. Nakasulay ba ako Inday kadtong kuan kanus abato nahadlok gani. Siyempre, alam mo ba Inday Cheryl? Isipin mo naman na 2 oras ka nagadakdak dito or 1 kalahati or palagay na lang natin 1 oras na nagdakdak ka tapos biglang nawala, o di ba? Serge is say, I have to go now. My pillow cry for me. Bye all. Your pillow cry for you or the pillow calling at you? I am right, dear. Serge A. Bye, Chiri, Mimi, and Tita. Have a good sleep, dear Serge A. See you next time on my next vlog. Have a good day to you and have a good sleep. Ayan. Good night. Thank you so much for joining of Tita Inday. God bless you always, dear Serge A. Again, thank you so much for always supporting of Tita Inday. Just listen in the bed. Okay? Your phone or your laptop, just put the other corner. Then you listen to Tita Inday. Okay? You just tambay, tambay, tambay. Standby, standby, standby. Until I finish my LS, okay? Still got half an hour. Can you, Bibi? Serves A? Okay, boss. Thank you. Thank you so much, dear. I know you always support of Tita Inday. Inday, si Ril say, host, mag-message ko ni mo unya sa GC na to. Okay lang ga. Maghulat ko ni mo unya, Inday. Dako-dako na bitaw akong balay. Pero wala jud. Mayo pa ka, Inday, kay dagko na imo ang kuan pod, ang imo ang mga kuha sa imo ang mga pelikula ba. Ako akay gagmay para jud na ako jud. Pero sagdi lang, hinay-hinay lang. Wala pa, Inday, oy. Inday, matingala manggani ko, Inday, no, kay kana bitang uban kay napa sa 1,000 kapin, pero kuan na nakasaka na sila sa kuan dakong barko, di ba, Inday, no? Nakabantay ka sa uban, Inday. I-share na sa imong wala man mi anak niya nagkuan. Pwede mag-ilis bisan wa pa naka 1,000 basta laptop gamit. Ambot lang, meme videos. Tinuod na, Inday, Cheryl. Inday, Cheryl, ingon ni meme, pwede mag-ilis bisan wa pa naka 1,000 basta kuan daw. Oo, kay tungod na sa ilang videos, host, nga daghan og views. Mao gani, Inday. Pero ako adto din tawon, dili na lang po kumaninganti, Inday, Cheryl, nga ingon ana nga bisan og duha na kaandana ka pin akong payag nga wala pa nakuan. Sabi ni Inday, Cheryl, oo, meme, pwede kayo, Inday, meme. Mga Inday, Cheryl, dili na lang ko magkakuan mga ambisyon like pagdating ingon anak kay saon man akong mga kuan in town videos nga di biya ni ingon og kana bitaw sa bagay di man pug ko artista, o di ba? So wala jud in town oy maka interesado sa akong mga kuan kay Inday, nakita biya ka sa ako ang mga pelikula nga di pud ingon og kanang as in nga kuan jud. So okay ra na siya. Ay nako, Inday, pwede ka mag silent LS host tibok gabi eh. Oo, Inday, pero usahay mahadlo ko kay nagmubuto akong cellphone kay Inday, Cheryl, ang ako apo din tong cellphone kay bratohon, o di ba? Nagmagbuto, wala na koy magamit na bagaunsa na lang ang ako ang pamilya sa Pilipinas. Usahay man gani, Inday, before ko magkuan lantaw sa ato ang palabas sa GC nato, ako sang i-full charge, tapos pagkahuman kung mag-apply nako, akong ibutang sa salog ang akong cellphone kay luoy kaayo ba, manginit in town kay akong cellphone, luoy kaayo, saon na lang. Kana si Mimi, dako na siya og kuan oras, nag-abot naman gani na unta si Mimi Vios og 4,000, pero sa iya lang pagsulod dito sa kuan sa papel nga bagapirma sa iyang mga card, ayon sa iyang mga papel, wala na kuan. Wala na dayon. Mao na nibalik na pud siya. Oo, Inday. Kadaghan na po ko nagahimuan ng kuan. Naga silent LS ko sa gabi pero mahadlok lang ko sa akong cellphone. Kay luoy jud kaayo kay kuan, dali ra pud bagalubat ang ako ang cellphone. Luoy kaayo. Host time pa na ay nanawag. Okay lang ga, Cheryl. Take your time. Balikir ako, Inday. Thank you so much everyone sa 4 million in my house at sa 4 times sa kay Tita Inday. Mega shout out everyone. Thank you so much for joining LS of Tita Inday. Mega shout out kay Inday Cheryl, kay Mimi Vios, to you my dear Serge don't turn off your laptop over there until my LS is turning off. Okay? Mega shout out kay Giselle Gula-Gula. Kuya Art Lalabs, where are you now? Mega shout out everyone. Thank you so much for joining my LS. Nagkipat-kapat na po niya ako kung ano ba. Spending my life with my finger. Spending my life with my friend. Sometimes when we touch, the honesty is too much, till I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. Yes, sing, make us sleep. Vivi, you just listen to me because nobody will talk to me, okay? I wanna hold you till the fear in me subside. But Serge dear, Tita Inday want to say sorry to my voice is not much perfect. But anyway, I'm not a singer. I don't know why you said goodbye. Just let me know you didn't go forever, my love. Hi, Giselle Gula-Gula, dan tamsak, tita. Katatapos mo ba lang nag-school? Nag-online class? Giselle Gula-Gula, my love Serge A is over there. He's listening my song. Katatapos ko lang sa online class, tita. Hiniram din kasi nakapalit ko si Kiko kaya di ako okay. It's okay, bunso. Now knew that it would go so far when you left me. Okay, Serge A want to listen my song so that he can sleep. You want to sleep now, baby? Serge A? On that boulevard, come again. Nasa laptop ako ngayon. Thank you, dear. Giselle Gula-Gula. Andyan pala kapatid mo? Kasi hiniram. Serge A, dear, what do you want me to sing? English song? The old one? Host, dali lang. Umuulan, may sinampay ako sa labas. Okay, Inday, Cheryl, take your time lang. Dahan-dahan, Inday, ha? Tell me quando. Oo, hindi pa siya. Hindi siya nagpasok dito, si lolo mo. Giselle Gula-Gula. Nagtampo na talaga siya sa akin. Tingnan mo, 4 lang yung tao ko dyan. 4 din na thumbs up. Giselle Gula-Gula, buti na lang andyan si Serge, nagtambay-tambay sa akin. Pero andyan na siya ngayon sa sa kama niya. Nanood kay Tita Inday. Bunso, ano ba ang kanta ng mga matanda? Nag-usap sila ng kapatid ko sa chat. Ah, okay. Ano bang pinag-usapan nila? Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit nang ikaw ay yakapin. Ewan ko, tita, tinang kung seryoso ba siya. O sige, lagot ka, Arturo. Naglalaho sa dilim, ninais kong mapalapit sa'yo. Natawa ako sa kumbon. Ninais kong malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko, baliwala lang sa'yo. Ikaw ay aking minahal, kasama ko ang may kapal. Ngunit ikaw pala'y naging isang hangad, naghahangad na isang katulad ko. Ay nako, bawal pa naman magkakanta-kanta. Pero okay naman siguro, bunso, no? Bunso, si ano ba, si ang imong mahal ko. Okay, Meme Vios, mag-amping ka sa imong paglakaw-lakaw. Meme Vios, tug-ani ko niya, ha? Magminsay ka na ko niya. Kung unsay koan. Ato akong koan ganina ba, ha? Tug-ani ko niya. Usaw na siya, oy. Nganong karon pa man kamukuan nga gabi naman? Nakabalo ko may videos ngano nakalimot ka kay kuan man ka tawag anang nagkahadlok-hadlok ka gumikan atong kuan ganina akong gipadala nimo. Sorry. Tita Inday, I want to say apologize. Mao gani. Magdali jud ka jud. Maghulat ko nimo may videos. I don't know. Sana ka lang. Basta lamat kaayo adto nako kay gayaw yon sad si dollar. O isa pa yan, may videos. I'm sleeping now. Bunso, Gisil Gula-Gula, andyan ka pa ba? Still got people in front of Tita Inday. I got 3 million people left in my house. Still got 3 million people left in my house. Then I got 4 thumbs up of Tita Inday. Thank you so much. Serge Edier, are you still there? For Tita Inday? Or I think you're snoring now. Sorry, Tita Inday, just kidding. Thank you so much. Tita Inday, just want to, maybe I need to stop it for, I don't think so if I can until 9. Till 9 p.m. Ayan, dalawa na lang kayo. Serge Idier, Tita Inday, want to say thank you so much to you, to Meme Vios, to Giselle Gula-Gula, thank you so much, to Inday Cherel Palangga, thank you so much sa'yo. Serge Idier, I got plan by next year if everything okay, but I'm not sure yet. I hope by next year everything will be okay already, because I'm 4 years already that I never going back home. Really, I really miss in my home land in Philippines. For 4 years, I never going back home. I really miss my papa, my mama. That's why. Again, dear Surge A, thank you so much for standby, for Tita Inday, for always supporting me. Thank you so much, dear. I hope so much that you always stay for Tita Inday. Giselle Gulagola said, galuding na sad ko. Nag-ilis ba si Arturo? Surge is a year. It's very long for 4 years. Yeah, really, dear. But I got no choice. Surge is a, hi Giselle. Giselle Gulagola. My love, Surge is a, hi to you. Giselle Gulagola, Surge A is, he's not a YouTuber. But he is my very best friend. He is very supportive of Tita Inday. He is from France. He is my very ever dear friend in YT. He is not a YouTuber, but he is very supportive of Tita Inday. Again, thank you so much to you, dear Serge A, for always here for Tita Inday. For always supporting me. Thank you so much. Tita Inday, really appreciate it. Thank you so much to you. Giselle Gulagula say, hello Serge. How are you? Serge A, dear. Giselle Gulagula say, hello to you. Serge, you're not easy to, like, very far from your family. I really miss with them. That time, doing good. I hope you too. Serge is Giselle Gulagula. He is doing good. And he hope that you are doing, hope you too, that you are doing fine. Sir. Thank you so much sa 2 million people for tambay-tambay Tita Inday. Family is in Caribbean going there next year. Okay. Serge, area Caribbean is very far from your home. Thank you so much for the 3 million people in my house at sa 4 times sa kay Tita Inday. Okay, close to US. I hope that you are enjoying to visit your family. Serge dear. Enjoy your vacation together with your fam. Please give my regards with them and have a safe trip to going there. And I hope so that when you go for vacation, you're still watching for Tita Inday over there. Surge is say half in the Caribbean, half in PH. It possible. Really? I hope so much that when you go for vacation over there, then you will not forget of Tita Inday. I hope so. But for me, I don't think so. I am not really sure yet by next year if the situation now if will be okay already, then I can go home. But I hope so much by next year will be okay everything, so I can going back home. As long as there's internet. I don't think in you is ga always have please. Maybe me if I'm going back home in Philippines, I don't think so if I'm always doing my YT, because you know already Philippines is the internet load is very expensive, so to buy rice is much important than the internet load, right? Nako, Giselle gula-gula, magpataod ko og wifi. Nako. So that's why Serge Edier, if I maybe if I'm going back home or I need to stand by already, stay for good in Philippines, I don't think so if I'm doing my YT all the time, same as here in Taiwan. I don't think so because internet load in Philippines is very expensive. Okay, langga Giselle. Pasudla sa siya, Giselle Palangga kay hapit na ko magkuan. Hi, Luigi Villegas. Thank you so much, dear. Good evening to you. Yan, thank you so much for salamat sa'yo, dear Palangga, Luigi Villegas. Thank you so much sa 5 thumbs up kay Tita Inday. At sa 4 million people in my house. Ayan, 5 na sila. Good evening, good evening. Giselle Palangga, paki-ano na lang kasi malapit na ako, patapos na rin. Luigi Villaga said, done, dikit and like. Salamat to you, dear. Daghang salamat, daghang salamat. Salamat sa iyo, dear. Luigi. Thank you so much. Mega shout out to you, dear Luigi Villagas. Salamat ng marami. Thank you so much everyone for joining my list today. Luigi Palangga, saan ka ngayon? Saan ang location mo? Mamaya na lang po, sasali pa ako sa premiere ni Simpleng Nanay. Okay. ka munang lalayas dyan. Si simpleng nanay, ano na siya, di ba? Money na siya, bibe, Luigi. Luigi, ano mo ba lang to? Bye lang po. Okay, thank you so much, Luigi. Again, thank you so much sa pagtamsa kay Tita Inday. Okay, okay. Okay, dear Luigi Villegas. Thank you so much again. Thank you for the 5 thumbs up for anak po ako ni Simpleng Nanay, Jean Vlogs. Okay. Salamat ng marami, Jean Vlogs. Salamat sa iyo, Luigi. Thank you, dear. Tita Inday, 15 minutes more. I need to turn off my LS. I just want to say thank you so much everyone for joining my LS. Tita Inday, really appreciate everyone. Especially to you, dear Serge A. Thank you so much for standby of Tita Inday. Thank you so much to you. Have a blessed Tuesday afternoon. Hindi pa, mamaya. Mga 9:15 siguro, Inday. 9:15. Ayan, mga 9:15. Pati nakita po kayong umiyak habang nagkikwento. Oo. Salamat ng marami, Palangga. Bye everyone. Serge Ise, bye everyone. Thank you again, Serge E, dear. Take care always and God bless. Pati nakita po kayong umiyak habang nagkikwento. Ayun, Luigi Palangga. Ayan, yung ano ko yan, like, panganay pa ako sa pamilya. Okay. Yung ano ko yan, yung life story ko when I was young. Yun ba yun ang pinapanood mo? Tapos yung, yung may isa din ako doon na palabas. Yung regarding kung ba't ako gumawa ako bilang isang YouTuber para makatulong ako sa pamilya ko, lalo na doon sa panganay namin na palagi siyang sinusumpong sa arthritis. Tapos like ngayon parang pangalawang buhay na niya kasi talagang muntik na talaga siya na kukunin ni Lord, pero I really do my best para sa kuya ko. Kaya ayon, sa awa ng Diyos na ano din siya. Pero ngayon, ano pa rin siya, like, how to say, yung palagi pa rin siyang sinusumpong sa arthritis. Kaya yung pag-ano ko talaga, yung pag-YouTube ko, hindi lang talaga to like, yung parang, di ba, parang alkansya lang naman, di ba? Pero kung sakaling like pala rin ako ni tatay dito sa YouTube, ayon. Yes, Palangga, Giselle Gula-Gula. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na ang lolo. Kaya ayon, Luigi Villegas. Kaya ito, salamat sa iyo, Palangga, sa pagpanood ng mga video ko. Si Tita Inday talaga is like, nagsabi ako ng totoo kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan ko sa buhay. Like, nag-share lang talaga ako. Sana yung mga napanood nyo sa akin, mga kwento ko, kung yung sa pagkabata ko hanggang ngayon, yung mga pinagdaanan ko sa buhay, sana may mapulot kayo na, how to say, yung, basta may mapulot kayo na, ano pangalan nun? Paano ba magsabi? Hindi ko ma-explain kung paano. Basta may matutunan kayo sa mga ano ko. Hindi, oo, Tita Giselle Gula-Gula. Kasi, sabi ni ni Luigi, ayan, nakita daw niya palagi yung ano ko, na naiyak ako, ayun. Oo, totoo yun. Kasi, naamin ko talaga, or like, mapulot, oo. Siguro, Inday Chirel, nakita mo rin siguro yung ano ko, yung mga palabas ko. Sa totoo lang, hindi naman like yung nagdrama or what, para like may manood lang sa video, sa mga video ko, hindi. Like para sa akin is, I just want to share to someone that want to see my, oh, ayun. Mustafa 01, salamat malam. Thank you so much, dear. Ayan, Tita Inday want to give you a jacket. Thank you so much, and good evening to you. Thank you so much for joining my LS. Anong oras ka matatapos, Tita? Malapit-lapit na rin, Palangga Giselle. Kaya ayon, Inday Chirel, basta yung ano naman talaga is, yung purpose ko, kung ba't ako sumali ng ganito, like parang, like alkansya lang, kung pala rin man ako sa ano, doon sa taas, at kay Lolo, first is talaga is doon sa taas, kung may ano ako, ayon. Tapos kay Lolo, kung makatsamba ako or ganito, ayan, basta may makatulong ako doon sa ano, sa pamilya ko, lalong lalo na doon sa panganay namin. Kasi sa ngayon, ayon, nag ano din ako, like pakunti-kunti din ako na nagtulong sa kanya, kasi nga maraming anak yung kuya ko, at saka palagi din siyang sinusumpong sa arthritis niya, ayun. Tapos yung kubo din niya malapit na mabagsak, kaya ayun, pinag-ano ko, like I need to help him para maano siya, tawag nito. Asa na ba kayo? Ba't nawala na? Naging isa na lang nakatambay. Para makatulong ako. Kaya ayon, nagpatayo din ako ng kubo ngayon, ng munting kubo para sa kuya ko. Thank you so much sa 1 million na nagtambay dito kay Tita Inday. Gisela Loves, saan ka na ba? At thank you sa 6 tamsa kay Tita. Tambay lang ako, host, hanggang matapos kaloto lang ako, dinner host. Okay, Inday, salamat ng marami, Inday. Inday, maglaway-laway na sad ko sa imo ang kuan, imong giloto. Malapit na uwi ang ano mo, lalabs mo. Kaya Inday, ano na lang natin is like, just mag-ano na lang tayo, like tiyaga, or alam naman ng Diyos, hindi tayo bigyan ng mga problema kung hindi natin kaya, di ba? Kaya kumbaga ipasa Diyos na lang natin. May man ka diya, Inday, kay kabalo ka baga kuan. Ako di man ko kaigod gan kabalo maga-edit mo nang nakita ko sa akong mga upload nga wala jud na edit, like direct ra jud na siya nga upload, kay di man ko kabalo. Cellphone ra ba akong gamit, Inday, manang pag Mingon lang, kabalo man lang uban like baga edit sa phone, bisag sa phone ra, pero kapuya na magugkuoy anya na apod oy tigula nga magsamok-samok mo nang diretso-diretso na lang. Again to you, Inday, Chirel, amping ka kanunay diha, Inday. Hapit na mahuman si Tita Inday. 10 minutes na lang. Mahuman ako sa akong 2 ka oras ug dakdak to di are. Daghan kaing salamat, Inday, ha, sa pagtambay-tambay nimo kay Tita Inday. Inday, message na ko na dito sa kuan, ha, sa ato ang classroom. Ampo na lang taan ni kanunay nga mapiskay ta. Giselle Gula-Gula, asan ka na? Andyan ka pa ba? Inawanan mo na si Tita Inday. Nindot biya ang imong mga edit sa imong mga ano, sa imong mga plaka, Inday, Inday Cheryl. Nindot kayo mong kuan. Ako di ko kabalo. Super. Tita Inday super bubo. Hindi, inaamin ko yan. Wala ko, di ko kabalo dito tinuod, pero kining akuan, naning kamot rapog ko. Di naman siguro, di man ingon og like sa mga edit-edit, maganindot jud ka. Naara ko tita, naalang nag-chat na. Okay. Nakain ko imo na kong gibiyaan. 8 minutes more before I turn off my LS, mga dear ones. Thank you so much for the 4 million people in my house at saka 6 thumbs sa kay Tita Inday. God bless everyone. Thank you so much sa mga palangga ko. Bunso, nasaan ba si ano? Mega shout out to you, Art. Kuya Art, nasaan ka na ba? Ayan, nilakasan ko na yung ano mo pagtawag ko sa'yo. Nasaan kaya yung? Mega shout out to you, Kuya Art. Bye and no color please. Hindi, Chirel. Andito na ang lalabs ko. Serge A. He said, bye and no color please. Okay, promise, baby. Serge A. Promise, I don't want to color my hair, okay? Promise me. You too, okay? Giselle Gula-Gula say, di na nagparamdam. Nagtampo na ako doon. Masungit pa naman ako ngayon. Ako din naman. Makita mo naman siguro sa itsura ko, Giselle Gula-Gula, that my face today is not much really, you know na. But thank you so much everyone. Serge A, dear. Please take care always. Tita Inday, always here for you. And thank you so much for always here for me. Thank you so much for always supporting of Tita Inday ever since. And you know that. Thank you so much. Serge A says, same for you all. Have a blessed Tuesday afternoon to you, Serge A, dear. And may the Lord God bless you always. And also to your family circle and friends. Giselle Gula-Gula said, Serge, take care always. Nakatulog na po siguro to siya, bunso. Siguro gikapoy. Lakas na naman ang hilik nun. Again, thank you so much everyone. I got 5 minutes more left to go before I turn off my LS. Again, Tita Inday, really say thank you so much everyone. Maayong gabi sa tanan. Good evening. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. To all my listener, to all my subscriber, to all my viewers. Tita Inday, really appreciate each one of you. Thank you so much for always supporting of Tita Inday. For all my viewers here in Taiwan, Tatsia, ni hao. Tatsia, Wan-an. Tatsia, Tat Sai-chen. Thank you so much. Again, Lalabs, Giselle, bunso ko. Thank you so much. To you, Serge A. Thank you so much to you, dear. To Inday Cheryl, Meme Vios. Thank you so much to you. Hi to Mosafa01. Hi to you, dear. Thank you so much for joining my LS. Ayan. Kay Luigi Villagas, thank you so much to you, Palangga, sa palagi mong panonood sa kay Tita Inday. Salamat ang marami. To those people that never watch my LS today, again, kahit hindi kayo nanood kay Tita Inday, thank you so much everyone. To ako si Badiday, mega shout out to you, Nanuska. Thank you. Saan ka ba ngayon, Nanuska? Thank you so much everyone. Good night everyone and God bless. Tita Inday want to say good night and bye-bye. Good night everyone. Nakabag lang tita hanggang matapos ka. I need to turn off now. Giselle Gula-Gula Palangga ko. Thank you so much. Goodbye mga dear.